Hello and welcome to World of Warcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a reminder clip for the intermediate class at the Kenn Centre on the 10th of January 2023. We did a shoulder pull, a chest slide, a sway Charleston and an open first move. If you'd like teaching information for any of those moves, the links to the teaching clips are in the description below, and now we're going to show you how everything went together. So we start off with the shoulder pull. It went 7 and 8. We went a back, shoulder, prep, slide, shoulder, prep, slide, return. Then the chest slide, get a comb, a slide through, down to the right for the sway, wrap, back then the Charleston, rock, step, kick, a double kick, rock, step, kick, a double kick, finishing off, rock, step, out, switch hands, return for the open first move. We come in, open, prep, spin, and if you catch right at that point, you're ready to go straight back into the shoulder pull. That was the whole thing. Hope you're finding what we're doing useful. If you do, like, subscribe, hit the bell so you know every time a new video comes out. Windows in the last few seconds, one of them is a music recommendation of something that's nice to practice this routine to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Warcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.